Dude. Hi guys, welcome to Get Healthy with me. Today we are going to do a vegan meal and I call it Veggie Tostada. You know, I thought making YouTube videos was going to be fun, but I'm making this a lot more stressful than it should be. That was a long intro. I don't know how many tries I've done it. It is a little bit nerve-wracking, but the whole point of this was to have fun. So I'm going to have fun. But the last couple of videos that I've done, which were hair and a video on when I went to Mexico, those were done with a Nikon camera. I have now upgraded to different lens and different cameras. So it's the Sigma lens and Canon camera. And let me just say, I am loving the focus and then the blurry background, which is what I wanted. But what you think about my eyebrows? I just got them done. Anyway, back to this veggie tostada. These are your ingredients. The spices right here: garlic. I ran out of onion, so I don't have onion. You want some turmeric. You want some Hispanic stuff. Let me get my phone out the way. You want some Hispanic spices, of course. Black pepper. This is a little bit harder than I thought. Black pepper, and then some coconut curry. All right, you want some kale, you want some veggies. You can really choose whatever you'd like. I got some cucumbers, red peppers, jalapenos, and some tomatoes. You want to start off with oils. Mine are either coconut or avocado. Okay. And then you want your tostadas, el milagro, and some spread. I like the roasted pine nut. So I have already heated the oil, and I used coconut, and I put in some garlic, like I said. Start cutting up some veggies. Let me get things out the way. I recommend that you use a wooden spoon. At the moment, I don't have one. I need to go get one. Anyway, just stir up what you've been heating up. You can raise the temperature now. Medium high. I'm putting it in between. I'm actually going to raise it up to number 3. Okay, and now it's time to put in your veggies. Make sure you stir. I know when to start adding the spices because the veggies are soft. Okay? You can really put the spices in any order. Doesn't matter. So let's start off with some black pepper. There we go. A little bit goes a long way, okay? Let's put a little bit of some Goya, adobo, Next, we want to put some sazon. I like to put around 2 packets, but really you should do it to taste. And last but not least, we're putting some turmeric. I'm a little bit heavy-handed with my turmeric so that it could give it that boost. And stir. Oops, I forgot about this. Some coconut curry. I like to put about half the bottle. But once again, do it to taste. I like to cook it a little bit more after I add the sauce. Maybe like 5 to 8 more minutes. Should also taste to make sure everything's to your liking. And for the finishing touch, some lime. Okay, so what you want to do is spread the hummus. I don't like taking big bites and having all of the kale come off when I take the bites. I like to cut my kale into small pieces. I like to cover the whole tostada, but do it to your pleasing. I'm hungry, so I'm about to start serving myself now. You obviously should wait till it cools off, but like I said, I'm hungry. This was relatively fast. It took me a bit long, simply because I'm explaining and trying to take good pictures and good video for y'all. And lastly, I'm just going to top it with some avocados. And voila, your veggie tostada is done. Alright guys, so the veggie tostada is done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave comments. This is my second video. I'm up for any feedback.